Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z9240A. Only 44,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, champagne silver metallic in color. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Family friendly with hooks in the seats for a latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back holds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert, backup camera, rear parking sensors, and power lift gate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. Not only low miles but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, powered driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Is with driver information system. Again, only 44,000 miles. Cruise control. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and adjustable power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 22 miles to the gallon and a city average of 32 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.